How to wear a men's yukata. Wearing the yukata. Here's what you will need. 1 koshihimo and 1 kakuobi. First, put on the yukata. Center the back seam by lining up the ends of the collar and pulling forward. Open the yukata. Take the right side and pull it to your left hip. Then take the left side to your right hip. Use the koshihimo to secure the collar in place and wrap it around your body. Wrap it twice around like this. Pull the end to secure it, and then tie a half bow. Tuck your fingers into the koshihimo behind you and pull across the sides to remove the wrinkles at the back. Adjust the collar from under the yukata and the right side to keep the collar straight. Next, we will wrap the obi. Fold one end in half lengthwise. Measure it across your hip, then wrap the rest of the obi with its full width. After you wrap it around once, pull it until it is firmly tight but not uncomfortable. Continue to wrap the obi 2 to 3 times. Pull out the narrow end from inside the obi. Fold the rest of the obi, adjusting the length to be similar to the folded end of the obi. Cross the wider end of the obi over the narrow end and tie a knot. Then, cross it over and tie it again. This knot is called kai no kuchi. Suck in your stomach and with both hands turn the obi knot around your body clockwise. It is important to note that this knot will sit slightly to one side and not the middle of your back. Make sure the obi sits under the belly and do any final adjustments to the collar and obi. Now you know how to wear a men's yukata. We hope you enjoy wearing it, and thank you so much for watching.